On the prayer of Mr. R.P. Sharma, learned senior counsel for the petition, let this matter be listed after 3 weeks.
Let me fix, because she is totally handicapped lady, my lord.
3 weeks on, give the date.
28 December. अरे कम दियो तो 11 से 12 13 11 21.
May it please your lordship, with regard to item number 11, my lord, I appear for BTC, my lord. Our instructions are awaited, my lord. So this matter may kindly be taken up after vacations, my lord, any day.
On the prayer of MS.
B. Bora,
B. Bora,
standing
and the standing council,
BTC,
BTC,
item 11.
list this matter after 3 weeks so as to enable her to file affidavit in opposition.
This case, I am for the petitioner, lordship. Fix
MS
the date.
P. Bhattacharya, learned counsel by petitioner, is present.
After vacation, any date, lordship. Oblige, lordship.
Lordship, a similar prayer for item number 34 and 35, my lord. A small accommodation may be given, my lord, because we have to obtain instruction in this matter, my lord.
Lordship.
33, 34.
Lordship,
Item number 34, the petitioner will go
34,
on-
35, my lord.
Huh?
34 and 35.
Lordship, in item number 34, the petitioner will go on retirement on this month. So matter may be heard on 16, my lord.
Huh?
Only they have to take instruction whether the vacancy is there or not.
On the prayer of Miss, as prayed for by learned counsel for the parties, let this matter be listed on 16.
Yes, my lord.
Oblige.
Wait, please, your lordship. Lordship, in item number
Huh?
20,
No. January, December to how it's possible. Tell. 16 to holiday. No, December not possible. Madam, December not possible.
Then,
December not possible.
then 16.
January. 16 holiday, 19.
I'm obliged.
wait, please, your lordship. Lordship, in item number 27, my senior, Mr. P.N. Goswami, was newly engaged. We got the brief just yesterday. And today, due to some difficulty, he could not come. So I just pray this matter may be listed on Monday, your lordship.
27.
Item number 27.
You are for petitioner.
Yes, your lordship.
After vacation. On the prayer of MS so learned counsel for the petition, list this matter after 3 weeks.
Obliged, your lordship.
Well, in item number 7, my name is not shown, my lord, so let it also come on 21st of,
Not 21.
item number
After
7, my lord.
7 years.
I am appealing for the private restaurant, my lord,
Ah.
but my name is not shown.
Who is for the petitioner? Okay.
Now, so,
This after?
on 21st, my lord.
Not
January.
21st. After that.
26, 28, okay.
May it please your lordship.
Huh?
May it please your lordship.
Yes.
With the consent of the other side, I beg to mention item number 4, your lordship.
Oh.
Yes, sir.
Yes.
In this matter, I am appearing for respondent number, private respondent. We have filed an IA for vacation of stay order. Today they have some problem. So
On the prayer of Mr.
And Sharma, your lordship.
N. Sharma, learned counsel for the
my only prayer is that, my lord, a date,
petitioner, list this matter after 3 weeks.
my lord, kindly a date may be fixed. We have filed a petition for paying for stay, vacation of the stay order, and on the last, on many occasions, they have adjourned the matter, my lord.
Give the date.
28.
25. Obliged, my lord.
Lordship, there is an interim order of
Interim order passed, let's continue.
quickly obliged.
None appears for the petitioner on call. Office note dated 11/12/2025 reflects that no steps has been taken by the petitioner for service of notice upon respondent number 6. List this matter after 4 weeks. Petitioner, then counsel for the petitioner to take steps. MS so and so
Yes, Apurva.
is
All respondent.
Timing, my lord. So, sometime, my lord. Senior is on, like, my lord.
what is the matter?
Lordship, this is regarding release of area salary, Lordship.
You are supposed to obtain instruction.
Yes, I have received instruction. It has already been sent to the finance for this, doing the necessary. Outstanding dues. Supplementary demand proposals are already been submitted, Lordship.
Where it is stated, implemented prepared, was forwarded to joint secretary.
Lordship, I have the updated instruction yesterday evening, Lordship. The finance department has now approved, Lordship, the
Ah.
supplementary demand.
We will close it.
Lordship may close.
Close it.
Heard, Mr.
It's Talukdar, Lordship.
S. Talukdar.
H.
H. Talukdar. Learned counsel for the petitioner. Petitioner. By filing this writ petition, has prayed for the direction to release the area. What area?
Actually, salary, Lordship.
Areas.
Area salary,
Area
Lordship.
salary.
Promotion, payment, salary was not.
Area salary due to the petitioner. For the period from
Lordship period is there, 2/9/2013.
02/09/2013 to 28/02/2025.
25, Lordship.
You are working as
Lordship, initially, Lordship, Anganwadi worker, thereafter I was promoted to Lordship supervisor, Lordship.
the petitioner initially was appointed as Anganwadi worker under Diung Valley ICDS project by dated 23/05/1985 and thereafter promoted to the
Post of supervisor.
post of supervisor. Then
Lordship,
after the promotion, you have not.
not paid, Lordship. Due to some
Supervisor.
technical irregularities,
Yes,
which has been meet up.
Next para. It is contended that the respondent authority has not paid the salary to the petitioner after being promoted to the post of supervisor. List of, therefore, claims for payment of arrears salary from 12/02/09/2013 to 28/02/2025. List of, next para. MS M. Bhattacharya, learned Edison Senior Government Advocate. By placing the communication dated, copy of the communication dated 11/12/2025, submits that the supplementary demand submitted to the Finance Department by Hill Areas Department on 11/11/2025 no, Hill Areas Department, huh? What I said, supplementary demand. Department has been finally approved. List of the petitioner who was working as supervisor
Lordship,
under the office of the CDP during Delhi ICDS project Maibang shall be paid for the period from 02/09/2013 to 28/02/2024. Next para, having considered that the respondent authorities, the Finance Department has approved the supplementary demand for payment of arrears salary from 02/09/2013 to 28/02/2025 to the petitioner, and as agreed to by learned counsel to the petitioner. The time of the it would be appropriate. It would the writ petition is disposed of. List of the respondent authority. Needless to observe that the respondent authorities shall pay the arrears salary to the petitioner. Within how many days?
7 days.
Lordship, Lordship, kindly peruse the last paragraph. In this regard, the District Social Welfare Officer Dima Hasau has informed that the arrear pay and allowances will be released to the petitioner within December 2025. There is a commitment, Lordship.
You see, considered before that, having considered so and so, and the same shall be. And the arrear pay and allowances shall be released to the petitioner within December 2025.
2025. This will be released by the District Social Welfare Officer, Lordship Dima Hasau.
Stand clause, list of. Needless to observe that the respondent authority shall pay the arrear pay and allowances to the petitioner as within as reflected in the communication, i.e. within December 2025.
25, Lordship.
Next para. Listings disposed of. The copy of the communication so and that it's 11/12 so and so. Kept on record.
Record, Lordship.
But is
Deeply obliged, Lordship.
Deeply obliged, Lordship.
documents X.
Please, your lordship. In
Yes.
this matter, lordship, the VRS amount has been placed before the finance department.
So,
Lordship, on last date, Lordship, they have submitted that they are expecting to make the payment by 31st January 2026, Lordship,
yes,
in last order. So the matter may be fixed on February first week, Lordship.
heard Mr. So-and-so learn council. If they are paying it within 31st, then financial sanction has been received. We'll close it.
Yes, Your Lordship.
We'll close it.
Lordship, they are expecting to make the payment by.
Yes. Then
Lordship,
what more you want?
Yes, lordship, it has been duly placed before the finance department.
It has been approved.
It is just a matter of time. The payment will be made.
Sanction has been received already.
Lordship.
Heard Mr. So-and-so learn counsel for the petitioner. And also heard Mr.
I'm on behalf of G. Bordoloi, lordship.
You are, your name?
NJ Daimari.
Huh?
NJ Daimari on behalf of G. Bordoloi.
So-and-so on behalf of G. Bordoloi.
For
Learn
cooperation
Eastern
department.
Council for Cooperation Department. By filing this writ petition, the petitioners, you are working under,
Lordship,
all of you are working under which department?
Lordship, this is Apollo Corporation,
Huh?
Apollo Corporation, Assam Police
Huh?
Limited.
Respondent number 1.
Electricity kind bank. The petitioners were the employees of Assam Polyester Cooperative Society Limited. Had filed this writ petition. You are seeking a BRS
VRS dues.
amount or what?
This is the area salary, Lordship.
Area salary will be paid.
Area salary.
Okay. Direction for payment of area salaries. For the period,
Lordship, there are 378 petitioners, different periods are there. We have annexed one, annexure A, Lordship,
Page number
page
94.
94.
hmm.
The period and date of retirement has been given, chart there. Against
That's
each
it.
and every employee.
Now you have retired, all of
All have retired.
you, who have retired from their services, from their employment. Know what I said? On a direction to? Area salaries, huh?
VRS dues.
Please do. Huh?
VRS dues.
Area.
Areas.
Area.
VRS.
It doesn't indicate BRS.
It is not BRS, Lordship. It is the area salary that they are supposed to receive during the period they were in service.
Hmm.
That has not been paid.
So what you are going to pay?
Lordship, an amount of 18 crore has been forwarded to the finance department.
Lordship, total amount was 30 crores. During the pendency of this suit, this writ petition, they have paid an amount of 12 crores.
Hmm.
Remaining 18 crores are to be paid.
So
So Lordship, it has been duly placed, so it is just a matter of time, it will be cleared within the month of January.
Okay. We will not say BRS or whatever is pleaded,
Lord.
we'll just go by. Huh? Next parent, the petitioners. The petitioners, by filing this writ petition, the petitioner have to wait for a direction to so and so, so and so. Next parent, the petitioners were the permanent employees of the so and so, Assam Polyester Cooperative Society Limited, who have retired from their employment, claims that they have not been paid their arrears salaries even up to the retirement. Mr. So and so learning council submits that the steps have been taken for payment of the amount of BRS due to the petitioner, and the same shall be paid within a period of same is expected to be completed and shall be completed and paid by 31st/01/26, as the financial sanction has already been received. List of next paragraph. Mr. So-and-so, Land Council. Your name, please?
S.K. Gupta.
S.K. Gupta. Have clearly submitted that the petitioner would be satisfied if the BRS amount,
Area salary.
they are paying you a
Lordship, in the
BRS.
have paid that it is area salary.
Huh?
In the read,
BRS or area salary?
Lordship may kindly check the previous orders.
Huh?
Hmm.
It's all along BRS, but his claim is area salary. Huh? Which one?
Lordship, at page 1 of Lordship, suitable direction to the respondent to make the payment of area salary.
That I have seen, but then you have all along agreed that as and when this matter was taken up, it's all recorded as
It's an
BRS
admitted
amount. Huh?
What?
Would be satisfied if the BRS amount as sanctioned is paid to the petitioner within 31st/01/2026. Next period, having considered, right? Then you write the P Bordoloi, huh? G Bordoloi. Having considered that the respondent authorities are ready to pay the BRS amount to the petitioners. 1st/01/2026 as agreed to by the council for the petitioner. This petition stands disposed of with an observation that the respondent authorities shall pay the BRS amount to the petitioners by 31st/01/20. Are you sure?
Lordship, done.
31st/01/2026. This petition stands closed and disposed of.
Obliged.
Nothing to be recorded, right? That's it.
Financial sanction has been given, your Lordship. We are just waiting for the amount to be released.
Your Lordship.
This is regarding payment of pension, Lordship.
Ah,
The problem is that petitioner was grade 4 employee, Lordship, under Guwahati University, Lordship.
yes.
But after his retirement, pension was not given. So he inquired. Thereafter, Lordship, he came to know Lordship page number 22. There was a notification of Guwahati University Lordship that one option was given to the staffs of the university who were in CPF, they can migrate to GPF by an application. But unfortunately, at that period of time, petitioner was under suspension. So he could not avail that opportunity, Lordship. And it was, Lordship, it was admitted by them also that he could not avail that. Recently, Lordship, I have filed a rejoinder affidavit, Lordship, where the treasurer of the Guwahati University himself is saying that since the admitted fact is that, Lordship, petitioner was under suspension, so as a special case, his case may be considered, Lordship. Page number 44 of my petition, Lordship.
44.
44 of rejoinder affidavit, Lordship.
Yes.
Annexure F.
Yes.
Type portion 42, type original is 44.
It's a file noting.
Yes, it's a file noting was provided to me by the university itself that we are considering your case since the treasurer is recommending your case, saying that it can be done with as a special case, Lordship. But because petitioner was not at fault, Lordship. I have filed several representations, Lordship. In partial to this note and these representations, may be
Yes.
considered.
Yes, Your Honor. Your Lordship, we need, we required some more time regarding this rejoinder of affidavit.
Ah,
So we need new instructions.
this is by whom? This note is by whom?
Treasurer Lordship, TF section of Treasurer Lordship, left side
Who
of
has to allow?
the Lordship.
Who
left
has
side
to
is
allow?
The university.
So I'll ask them to
consider-
obtain instruction. Huh? Since there was a suggestion in the note, heard MS so-and-so learned counsel for the petitioner. The claim of the petitioner is for allow him to exercise option as required under the relevant notification from CPF to GPF,
Lordship.
which he could not avail as the relevant as at the relevant point of time, the petitioner was under suspension. List of the petitioner has been paid the retirement benefit except the monthly pension. List of the petitioner next has placed the office note of the respondents where it is indicated that the treasurer and the officer has suggested for consideration of the grievance for exercising option from CPF to GPF as a special case which has not been considered as on today. List of having considered that no instruction is placed as to what decision has been arrived at by the competent authority of the above suggestion for allow the petitioner to exercise option as a special case, exercise option from CPF to GPF. But no decision, huh? No instruction is placed, huh? As a special case, huh? Comma. The learned counsel, Mr. So-and-so,
RC alum, Lordship.
huh?
RC alum, Lordship.
Are you for Guwahati University?
Yes, Lordship.
Standing counsel, you Guwahati University.
No, Lordship, on behalf of PJ Fukan.
You tell him, we'll record his name. PG Pukan, to obtain instruction, huh? List the matter after 4 weeks, 3 weeks.
Lordship, on 28th, Lordship,
Hmm.
petitioner is not getting pension less than. 28th, Lordship,
Hmm.
deeply obliged.
Bless, Lordship.
Lordship, in this matter, we are filing affidavit today. So Lordship,
And MS so learned counsel for the petitioner, Mr. P.N. Sharma, learned counsel, standing counsel, eliminate education requirement, submits that he would be filing affidavit official during the course of the day. In view above, let this matter be listed after 3 weeks.
Lordship. Okay.
May I please, your Lordship?
Yes.
Lordship, on 24 March, Lordship, there is an order of the Lordship's order, Lordship.
Hmm.
We are seeking for some more accommodation for the getting the information because the records were not being able to, we were not able to this thing, my lord. But it's under process, my lord. The
Lordship,
department has informed me, my lord, that from the directorate, my lord, even I think he
Lordship, there are development, Lordship. This
There
is
are
not the
developments.
up-to-date instruction, Lordship. So for my information, Lordship, Directorate had forwarded the proposal to the government, and government, Lordship, may or may not, Lordship, placed before the finance department, Lordship. I am not sure
it
whether
is in process, my
placed
lord. It is in process.
before the finance department or not, but it was forwarded to the government, Lordship,
Hmm.
by the Directorate, Lordship.
So what is to be done?
So lordship will fix it on some other date. By that time, I'll get the
Lordship,
up-to-date instruction.
Lordship, my learned pen may take the up-to-date instruction, Lordship.
I'll get the.
I am suffering, Lordship, getting only 900 rupees, Lordship.
my lord.
Or Mr. So-and-so learned counsel for the petitioner. In view of the submissions of Mr. N. Fukan,
A Fukan,
A. Fukan, learned standing counsel,
elementary education.
elementary education. That the grievance of the writ petition for payment of minimum scale of pay is under consideration. List this matter after 3 weeks. On the next day, Mr. Fukan, stand counsel to place the instruction.
I'll bring it.
A date may, Lordship.
Deeply obliged.
If there is,
Right.
Obliged, Lordship.
Deeply obliged.
On the restaurant File a affidavit, madam. So they have, to file affidavit, madam.
They have to file.
They have the S.
Huh?
Petitioner was working as a madam stenographer grade 3, madam.
Ah,
Department of madam SCRT, madam.
they filed the affidavit.
Or only the SG has filed, madam.
Who has to file?
Finance and the SCRT.
So why not filing?
So on many occasions they have not filed, madam.
Yes, finance. SCRT, what is SCRT? Ah,
Finance and SCRT. E. Sodori is there, madam.
yeah, last occasion also. On first of this month,
Yes, madam.
they've sought for a 1 week time. What is your grievance?
Now, madam, kindly see, madam.
Just tell us, what is
Yes,
your
sir.
grievance?
Madam,
What do you want?
My gate pay is fixed, madam, 8700.
Hmm.
Now, while I am retiring, madam, the department has forwarded my pension paper to the SG office, madam.
Hmm.
Now, the SG office, madam, returned my file, madam, pension paper, showing that my gate pay would be 7400, madam.
Hmm.
If Rupees 8700 would be applicable only for the, madam, employee who employed at secretary department, madam.
Hmm.
Department has to clarify.
Huh. Call, they have sought for 6 weeks, to 1 week time. On first of December. Mr. Chaudhary and Arbor Pujari. He just informed after some time. Huh?
No, madam, no copy has been served to me, madam.
Just inform. Both of them. Ah, tell me.
Yes, I think the director of higher education has.
Ah,
They have not filed any affidavit, madam.
yes,
Lordship, I'm seeking for some time, Lordship, to file.
and Mr.
MK Mr.
M.K. Mr. Learned Counsel for the petitioner. On the prayer of Mr. A.
You-
Pukan,
D. Upamanyu.
the Upamani, Learned Counsel for the Learned Standing Council Higher Education Department. Further, 3 weeks time is granted to file affidavit in office.
I'm for response number 5, Your Lordship.
Hmm. Have you filed?
I'm for response number 5.
Have you filed the affidavit?
Lordship, we have already issued our PPO.
Oh,
I will file affidavit.
is present, huh?
Our affidavit is not necessary.
Yes.
This is second round repetition, my lord. Earlier repetition, my lord, was disposed of on 29/10/2013, annexure 11 page.
Have you furnished the report, this thing?
Matter is, my lord, a compassionate appointment, my lord. My
Ah.
father expired, father of the petitioner expired. in,
Compassion appointment.
2006, and on the very year, my lord, in the year 2006, petitioner filed. In
Yes.
Lordship may look into this government circular, Lordship.
Well, due to fault on the part of the respondent, I am deprived from my job, my lord. The order reveals, my lord, page 33, my.
Lordship, last paragraph.
No, this has been, we have considered so many times. In view of this, it's difficult.
But, my lord, I am, earlier.
When did you file your application?
My lord, in the same year, my lord, in application was filed in.
Which year?
Year 2006.
Which year?
In the year 2006, my lord.
2006, enough.
And order reveals that, my lord, that was misplaced, my lord, by the respondent.
You
That
go
is
through
why, my lord,
this. There are so many orders. Can you do some exercise?
Anyway, and direction will be given, my lord, whatever may be, my lord, in view of the.
Sir, there are so many orders.
11, my lord.
There are many developments had happened.
Correspondence are going.
Do you have any idea what's happening around?
My lord.
So, think about it.
But correspondence are going on, my lord, and due to the fault on the part of the respondent.
Mister, there are so many orders have been passed by the coordinate bench, Discord, coordinate bench in view of the developments. So you have to be up to date. You find out what is the position now. Right? Did you file the affidavit?
No.
Huh?
No, Lordship, affidavit is signed.
Sir, do you have any idea? So far as the compassionate appointment, the appointment on compassionate ground is concerned, it has been done away.
My lord,
Right? Thereafter, so many petitions have been disposed of. You find out all those petitions, right? And Supreme Court also says that after long lapse of time,
Lordship, Devavrata Tiwari, Lordship.
it cannot be considered because it lost the its immediacy. All right.
my lord, that is why, my lord, order reveals, my lord, due to fault on the part of the respondent, my lord, I am deprived from the compulsion of appointment.
Are sir,
Without due procedure, my lord, in place of my father, my lord, another private person was appointed. But policy decision, latest policy decision, reveals, my lord, that your lordship is
Hmm?
correct. Your lordship is correct, my lord. Yes.
so find out what exactly, where do you stand now? Where the case of the petition is stand now? Where does it stand? You find out. Mr. So-and-so learned counsel for the petitioner submits that in view of the developments and the various orders, development with regard to the appointment on compassionate ground and the order and the various orders passed by this court, he may be allowed sometime to he may be allowed sometime to find out the status and find out where does the status of the petitioner remains, huh? Status remains or stand? What does the stand of the, what's the status of the petitioner stands in terms of such developments and the various orders? Mr. MS so and so, and as Fred for. Let this matter be listed after 4 weeks. Sir, find out.
Publish.
Lordship, we have filed our affidavit, Lordship.
He said he has not received. Borthakur has said he has not received.
Lordship, here what has happened was, it was served to another S. Borthakur, Lordship. Here,
Wrongly.
yes, by clerk, Lordship, it was supposed to be
You
Saurabh
have
Borthakur.
filed. You have filed.
Lordship, yesterday, we had served it to Mr. Santanu Borthakur, Lordship. It was supposed to be Saurabh Borthakur, Lordship. Lordship, I have bought a copy. I'll serve him our copy today only, Lordship.
Third Mr. S. Borthakur, huh? And counsel for the petitioner. Although office note dated 09/12/2025 indicates that no affidavit has been filed. It has been received, huh? It has been filed, huh? Comma, Mr. H. Elia and Mr. B. Chaudhary. B. Chaudhary, Mr. H. Learned Standing Counsel for Finance,
Lordship, I'm for finance.
He is for finance, I am for SCART.
SDRT and Finance.
Candidate for Reading Lordship.
No, in that case, Mr. H. Elia, Learned Standing Counsel, Finance Department has submitted that.
Affidavit, we are not coming.
Yes, filed the affidavit. Yesterday.
Yes, Lordship, I have served a copy.
Yesterday, you filed yesterday.
Yes, Lordship.
Filed the affidavit yesterday, I, 11/12/2025. However, the copy was wrongly served to other council, which he now has served today. Which a copy has been served to him by now, a copy which has been served now, by which the copy has been served today to Mr. Esmer Thakur now. B. Chaudhary, Learned Council, submits that the affidavit in opposition is ready. We should be filed within a week. Last time also you said 1 week.
I have sent it for what?
That's great for this matter after 3 weeks.
Paper fix there, ma'am.
Give the date. Just give the date.
Abraj.
Lordship, in this case, Lordship, they are claiming for regulation, and we, the department, has solicit some instruction from the concerned inspector of school, and we have received the instruction that the instruction is on being considered by the directorate level. The result of outcome of that verification will be come soon, very soon. After 2 weeks, that will.
Heard Mr. I.H. Sakia. Sakia or Sakia? Huh? Sakia.
SAIKIA. He is above 100.
I have read somewhere Sakia.
Sakia.
In Hindi they said Sakia. Sakia, Learned Council for the petitioner. Mr. P.P. Datta, Learned Standing Council, Secondary Education, submits that the grievance of the petitioner for regularization of his service is under consideration, therefore fresh for some time to place the outcome of the decision and the outcome of the action undertaken by the responding authorities. Considering above, let this matter be listed after 4 weeks.
Item 14.
Lordship, this matter is Lordship challenging an impugn order, Lordship, by which Lordship I have been appointed as a tutor, Lordship, by violating the court's order, Lordship. Lordship, the fact is that initially, Lordship, I was appointed as a teacher, Lordship, in the year 1999, Lordship.
Affidavit is there.
Awaited, your lordship.
Or Mr. So-and-so Learned Council for the petitioner. On the prayer of MS B. Buya, Learned Council, Learned Senior, you are in Standing Council.
I appear for BTC, your lordship.
Learned Senior Council appearing for
Well, can it be
BTC.
done, my lord?
With-
Directing the authorities to verify his claim. Lordship may not interfere with the impugn order. Let the authority verify and pass appropriate orders.
No, once you have passed it, if we don't interfere, we cannot direct.
That's true. That's true, your lordship.
Is not it?
Lordship.
Or else we'll set aside and we'll direct you
For
to
that, I
consider.
have got some objection.
Then in the, on the prayer of MS B. Buya, Learned Senior Council, BTC, appearing of BTC, further 3 weeks time is granted to file affidavit.
Duly applies.
File response or affidavit, huh? File response. File response, huh?
Item 15.
May it please your lordship.
Yes.
I will not be troubling your lordships with this matter today. It will be fixed up, the pleadings are complete. But once I start the matter, we have to go to various judgments of this honorable court on both sides.
Yes.
No? Could it be fixed up sometime next year before the vacation?
Yes.
We'll make it.
Before, Before,
Before.
not possible.
Okay.
We have fixed so many matters.
आपका भी हो गया था.
But then if I may pray, Milord, after 2 weeks, 3 weeks, that order would do, I'll have it listed conveniently. Make a mention for that.
No, now we're trying to fix the date now.
Very good, as your lordship pleases.
Therefore, we cannot fix all the matters,
Lordship,
I mean, limited matters, unless it is very, very urgent. Otherwise,
It can wait.
it's not possible.
it can wait, not so much.
Just fixing is
It's
not a problem. But to disposal
Lordship.
and hearing
Take some.
would not be possible. So we're trying to, I mean, streamline,
Lordship,
giving the particular date. But then we'll have to be careful again.
Lordship.
Fixing all the matters would have been, it would not serve any purpose
Fine.
again. Yes, heard Mr. S. Bani, Learned Counsel for the petition and so, P.P. Datta. Correct. Pleadings are complete.
for admission.
List this letter as agreed to by parties, Learned Counsel for the parties, list this letter after 4 weeks.
Okay.
Give the date. Urgency is there, no.
Not so much, but it needs to be heard.
Then 6 weeks.
No, 4 weeks is
We'll
good.
give you the date
4 weeks is good enough, Milord.
after 4 weeks, yeah.
Okay.
Because
Okay.
we have so
For
many
admission.
holidays in January and everybody is want to do the cases in January, which is not possible
Not
at all. So we'll have to be practical also.
Good night, sir. Obliged. Only 10 more, sir. Thank you. Bye-bye.
Yes.
Wait, please, your lordship.
Huh.
This is reinstatement in service, lordship.
Mm.
Petitioner was arrested on 13/9/2023. He happened to be a Lat Mandal. And thereafter, subsequent to his, pursuant to his arrest, lordship, he has been suspended on 10/10/2023. So 10/10/2023,
01 or 010?
1010, lordship.
Ah. Affidavit is filed.
Ever since he is in continued
We have filed one.
suspension, lordship,
Ah.
and so my case is covered as per
2003,
23, lordship,
23.
23.
Yes. What happened?
Yes, he was suspended for the receipt from the information from the police officer.
It's okay. What have you done thereafter?
Thereafter, he is under suspension.
Has the memo of charge been filed?
That I will have to.
Within 3 months?
Regarding this,
No,
he started or not.
absolutely not.
And whether any review has been done?
No, lordship.
No, Malad, review, Malad, this case is not pleaded like that. If pleading, Malad, prayer made by the petitioner, my lord, is not on the pleadings. If pleadings is, there is nothing, my lord, it is more than 90 days, it is review, then how lordship will pass an order, my lord? I have gone.
You are
for-
submitting that.
No, that
And
is,
on your basis of your submission, will pass the order.
oh, yes, my lord, because, my lord,
It's not a plaint as such. It's a writ petition.
a read petition only where prayer is to set aside the suspension order.
That cannot be.
Yes,
Why it should be set aside?
yes.
What you have pleaded? You have
Yeah.
nothing. At least
Thing,
I have pleaded, lordship, that
there is no pleading.
no charge memo has been filed within a stipulated period.
nothing has been done, lordship.
No, have you pleaded that? You'll have to have the particulars.
Yes, this, my lord,
It's very important also.
yes.
You know, this, what is this?
Finally, see paragraph 16, my lord. 17 and 18, 19. In the case of so and so, the court considered the issue of whether relief not asked for by the party could be granted, and that too without having proper pleading, the court held under. It is well settled that the decision of the case cannot be based on grounds outside the pleadings of the parties, and it is the case pleaded that has to be founded. Without an amendment of the plain.
Plaint.
Plain. The
Hmm.
court was not entitled to grant the relief not asked for, and no prayer was ever made to amend the plain as to the incorporate in his alternative case.
It's as regards plaint.
Plain, whatever may be the petition, my lord,
in case of Bharat, so and so, the court has very wide discretion to granting relief. The court, however, grant ignoring the keeping aside the norms of principle governing grant of relief event rate for the petitioner. In case while the directing the change of surname of a so traverse beyond pleadings, such direction are liable to be set aside on the grounds.
He has not pleaded the particulars
It is petition,
properly,
my
but
lord, it is plain, my
the
lord.
relief has been prayed.
There
Reinstatement.
is no pleadings, my lord. That's
No, no,
why-
reinstatement, he has prayed, but then she has prayed, but then particulars has not been given.
Yes.
Yes, madam, you better bring better particulars.
Lordship, I may be allowed to file additional affidavit and that may be brought in.
No,
May I pray before vacation, Lordship?
or you may withdraw and better
Lordship,
file affidavit.
No, Lordship, I'll just allow me to, now, because at this point, they have asked several times just to answer.
See,
one
they
question,
may,
Lordship.
see, I'm telling you, there's a reason. If you bring on additional affidavit, they may raise the objection that unless the petition is amended, for that you have to file an
But
application.
the sole ground, that is Lordship, under 226 petition is to set aside the continuous.
That cannot be. We want some particulars. We're with you, but at least you have to plead something. When it was, when the order was passed, thereafter 3 months or 6 months, charge sheet has to be, the memorandum of charges has to be filed. Even if it is filed, if it is not filed, you cannot allowed to go, put on continuous suspension.
Lordship,
Even if it is filed, reason order has to be passed for extension.
agreed, Lordship.
That is, you have not pleaded anything on it.
Nothing, madam.
I have come directly against the suspension order, these additional facts, Lordship. And on a query, they could not reply.
So why you have directly come under the suspension?
Lordship, I was not even communicated with a single information that this is the progress of my case. Nothing has been communicated. It was not within, at the time of filing of this petition.
That's good for you.
Now, step by step, Lordship, when the query has been made by this honorable.
Okay, heard MS so-and-so learned counsel for the petitioner, who prays that she may be allowed sometime to file appropriate additional affidavit. As prayed for this matter after.
Before vacation, very, very urgent, Lordship. Person is continued ever since.
See, we wanted to give you a relief. You don't want relief. Then what can we do?
Lordship,
There's a certain procedure to be followed.
Lordship,
in filing the
read
petition.
The 18th, Lordship. May I pray to fix
Not,
it on
is
18th?
not possible. Madam, not possible.
Then 6th, the 7th of January.
After 20th January. Mr. So-and-so, you record his name, T.C. Chutia,
I am for one.
are present, You write that.
I am for 3 and 4. 1.
21st January.
21st January. I'm deeply obliged, Lordship.
Madam, he has indicated you.
Lordship,
Again, you will have, you will face a problem on the next date.
Lordship.
Mr. Chutia is very dangerous.
17.
Yes.
Your Lordship. Elder affidavit opposition
Yes.
requires some time to file a rejoinder to it.
Why?
Your Lordship, there has been a lot of contradictory statements that have been made.
So this become a disputed question of facts. So no writ petition not maintainable.
Lordship, if Lordship can give me a little opportunity, I would like
Yes,
to.
on the prayer of MS so-and-so, learned counsel for the petitioner. List this matter after 4 weeks, so as to enable her to file affidavit in reply to the affidavit in opposition filed by
226, my lord.
respondent number 226. Mr. Ndeka, learned counsel, standing counsel.
422 not standing.
Learned counsel for respondent 226 and
For one.
1. Then you just
AK
first write AK
Doctor.
Dr. Learned CGC for 1, respondent number 1, and Mr. Ndeka so for are present.
Much obliged.
My lord, covered case,
Yes.
page 36
Ah,
is the impugned order, my lord, where the charge of in-charge principal to the petitioner was denied.
page.
36, my lord,
Ah,
where the charge of in-charge principal was denied to the petitioner because she did not prosecute B.Ed degree with permission.
hmm.
That issue has been settled, my lord. I have provided copies of this article. 3 judgments, my lord. There are
Why 3 judgment? Only one. I'll only see one judge.
one, my lord. Then we come to Tonkeshwar Nath, my lord.
Ah.
Tonkeshwar Nath. 4,
If on similar issue and similar facts and
Yes,
similar
yes,
law
Yes, absolutely, my lord.
on any
No, absolutely similar. my
one
lord.
issue, why you should look into 3 judgment? Yes.
Yes, my lord, we'll see paragraph number 2.
Hmm.
Paragraph 2.
Ah. Hmm.
Paragraph 2 starts at page 2, my lord. Your lordship will kindly come to the relevant portion at paragraph page 3. Page 3.
Ah.
Page 3, the second paragraph, my lord.
Hmm.
The petitioner had acquired his MA degree in Assamese from the Krishnakanta Handrigoi State Open University and had prosecuted the state study during the period of 2014 to 16.
Hmm.
Voice thus, the petitioner came across the impugned order dated 30/3/2023 by which the respondent number 4 was allowed to hold the charge of the principal of the school with effect from so-and-so on the incumbent of the post retiring with effect from 31/3/2023. On an inquiry, the petitioner was given to understand that the MA degree prosecuted by him with Krishnakanta Handrigoi State Open University had been prosecuted with prior permission from the authorities concerned. His said degree would not be considered to be valid, and in that view of the matter, he is not fulfilling the eligibility criteria mandated under Rule 12 of the said rules of 2018, inasmuch as the MA degree is a mandatory qualification to hold the charge of the principal, Pathebari High School, Pathebari. The finding, my lord, is at paragraph number 5, 6, 7, and 8. 5 at page 4. Your lordship sees that.
Yes.
Then paragraph number 6, my lord. 7 and 8, my lord. The benefit cannot
Have
be
you filed the affidavit?
No, your lordship, we haven't. filed.
not needed.
What do you say?
Lordship, the Tonkeshwar Nath is very clear because if without permission, if it is obtained, if any degree is obtained, that will not invalidate any degree, your lordship. However, the petitioner has to fulfill all the eligibility criteria, your lordship. If she fulfills the eligibility criteria, your lordship, then
Who?
the petitioner, your lordship.
Ah.
Because to be appointed.
Who is the other party?
The other party, my lord.
Is a party here?
There is
Yes,
party
your
here, my
lordship.
lord.
Then who is for him?
He has not interference, my lord. Your lordship will see the last 2 orders, my lord.
Ah.
2/9/2025, the Lavazima.
Despite service of notice.
Despite service, the service was effected on 30/7/2025.
So what do you say?
Lordship, on similar grounds, it can be
Yes,
disposed
ma'am.
of. However, Lordship, there was a hearing held.
No response, my lord.
There is a response, your Lordship. There is a hearing report. This is the hearing report.
Saying what?
In the hearing report, your Lordship, they have declined to make her the in charge principal, your Lordship. The conclusion is in the last page, your Lordship.
Findings.
Lordship. Finding, last page. your Lordship.
Conclusion
Mother,
from
please
the
help
above
us.
observation which is offended is Malika Devi, PGT of TC Government, cannot be placed at the post of the principal in charge of the school on the basis of judgment. Madhav Chandra Kalita,
It's also provided, my lord. We were the petition, we were for the respondents. The case was allowed.
the matter is still awaiting judicial determination. Huh?
My lord, it's there, my lord, before your lordship, my lord.
Further, principal in charge is an ad hoc appointment made when the position of principal is vacant. As per the Honorable Court order. It is 2 well settled principle order. One ad hoc cannot be replaced by another ad hoc.
Madhav Konda, my lord, we were the counsels for the respondent, my lord. That case was allowed. Our case was rejected, my lord.
No, now your case has been considered by hearing you.
My lord.
So you challenge this
But
also.
that will not negate the law, my lord.
Huh?
The law is clear, my lord. In fact, the conclusion it states that it is awaiting a final judicial determination of Madhav Kulta.
Ah.
Madhav Kulta was decided prior to filing of this instant petition.
We challenge them.
My
You
lord, it's
bring
not-
on
my lord,
record.
The law is clear, my lord. The law is laid down, my lord. Mohinder Singh Gill, my lord, they cannot venture beyond the affidavit, my lord.
Huh?
This, the reason, my lord,
Affidavit has been filed.
not filed, my 36,
Then?
page 36. They cannot venture beyond the order which has been passed, my lord. The order which was denied to the petitioner, my lord.
Unless they file an affidavit, how can you say so?
My lord, the law is clear, my lord. The law in this regard has been laid down in multiple cases, my lord. I have provided 3 copies at least, my lord.
So
The case has to be allowed.
what I'm saying is your case has been considered wrongly or rightly, it's been rejected. You cannot be appointed. So you challenge this also. That is what I'm saying. Why you're jumping? The facts. They will go to the law.
My lord, absolutely, my lord. My humble submission is that your lordship may not take recourse to the speaking order because my lord may not need take recourse to the speaking order, my lord. Because prior to that, my lord, this speaking order is against the law laid down by this honorable court. And it was passed out.
But unless you challenge this, then
Even if this law, even the speaking order stands, my lord, your lordship can still decide my
unless it
rights,
is
my lord.
bring on record, you put to challenge, how can we set aside that? On the air?
Absolutely not, my lord. In fact, the reasoning of the speaking order is, I'll leave it to your lordship, my lord. Law has been clear. That's my submission, my lord.
It's up to you. Or Mr. Huh? M. Sharma, learned counsel for the petitioner. On the prayer of Mr. M.S. D. Musahari, learned counsel for the learned state,
Secondary, Lordship.
secondary. For the 2 weeks time is granted to file affidavit. Then you, whatever you want to do it. Formally, yeah. That's why I mean, when the facts are not clear, I mean, when you bring the facts, because wrongly or rightly you have been considered and rejected your cases,
Yes.
wrongly, maybe legally or
My
legally,
lord,
whatever.
My lord.
If you have that knowledge, you bring on record.
I'll-
Either challenge it or
my lord,
whatever,
my lord,
whatever you.
my lord.
Otherwise, no problem. Disposal of the matter.
Yes, my lord.
Same order will pass, no issue. But then
Then, my lord.
let it be, I mean,
My lord.
as per the procedure.
Wait, please, your lordship, item 17, the previous item, lordship, there was an interim order.
Interim order passed, earlier shall continue. Item 17.
Yes, sir, interim. Much obliged.
Item 19.
Method pertains to non-payment of compassionate family pension, my lord.
Ah,
The husband of the petitioner died on 27/1/2025.
so what they are saying?
And my lord, respondent numbers 5 and 6 filed affidavit, my lord.
Saying what?
Neither denied nor my lord processed the pension, my lord.
Huh?
Neither denied, my lord.
Huh?
Has not denied the, my lord.
Say what they are saying.
Saying, my lord, kindly see, my lord,
Who is respondent number 6?
respondent number 6 is the circle officer, my lord.
Ah,
And respondent number 5, deputy district commissioner, my lord.
Respond by it, Passport. You are clearing. Have you filed affidavit? Tell. How can tell? Tell the court. Appearing for the respond by it. We stand up in court.
Of the death benefit has been sanctioned, my lord. January, my lord, 27/1/25, my lord, the husband died.
yes.
Well, petitioner is the second wife of the deceased person, and first wife is appearing. 8.
After divorce, my lord, I have married, my lord. I have submitted, my lord, judgment.
Okay, since she is appearing, let her,
Affidavit made.
let her
Affidavit will you file? Tell.
file the affidavit. And Mr. K. R. Padgari, learned counsel for the petitioner. Mr. T.C. Chutia, learned additional senior government advocate, submits that.
For
Who has filed?
3, 5 and 6, Mano. 3 and 5, 6, Mano.
Ah.
No, three, 5 and 6.
You are appearing with 3, 5 and 6. Who submits that he has filed the affidavit on behalf of respondent, but 3 and 5, 3, 5 and 6.
5 and 6, 5, my lord.
5 and 6.
I'm for Aspen 4, my.
Who are you?
Counting.
Ah, then
I'm for revenue.
revenue. Are present, both of them. Then MS. Granted. 2 weeks, 3 weeks time to file affidavit. Learned counsel for the respondent number 8, MS so and so. Learned counsel for the police. Press for and granted, 2 weeks time to.
That may be fixed, my lord.
Give the date after 3 weeks. 3 weeks,
Oblige.
Item 20.
Yes.
Well, the petitioner has not been paid his salaries, my lord, since April 2022. The junior assistant, my lord.
Yes.
Yes, sir, we are going to, my lord, instruction is the, my lord. The Deputy Secretary to Government of Assam, Home and Political Department directed the Director of Forensic Science Laboratory to look into the matter and release the salary. So sometime maybe granted, my lord, in the meantime, my lord, this is instruction, my lord. That may be kept on.
Mr.
Sharma, my lord.
M. Sharma. You come back after 2 weeks.
Yes. After 2 weeks.
Then counsel for the petition, Mr. T.C. should learn counsel. Learn it, state counsel by placing the copy of the communication of the respondents and then the Deputy Secretary to the Government of Assam, Home and Political Department, to the Director Forensic Science Assam. What I said, this is what the State Council has produced, communication by the communication of the respondent, the communication by the Deputy Secretary to the Government of Assam, Home and Political Department, to the Director Forensic, it's here. Director Forensic Science, Assam, which indicates that a request has been made to take necessary steps for release of the current salary of the three junior assistants. You are
I'm one of them. I'm one of them.
3 junior assistants, including the petitioner. No, this is for current salary only.
Oh, yes.
This is as per the direction of this court.
Oh, this court, my lord.
On the last occasion.
You have not been paid.
I have not been paid till now, single penny, my lord, since.
In
past 41
compliance of
months.
the order of this court, dated 17/11/2025. Therefore, he submits that in view of above, he submits that he may be granted a 2 weeks time to obtain instruction. This is not solve the problem. This is the direction of this court only.
Yes,
He's claiming for that areas.
Areas also, my lord. In the
Areas
pendency, at least
also.
my current.
First of all, they let them take the, my lord, current salary. They after, my lord.
You have to, you have no option. There is an order of the court.
Definitely, that's why, my
You are
lord.
not doing it out of, they say, you are not showing any magnanimity.
Yes, yes, my lord.
You are bound to.
Bound.
The issue is for payment of areas now.
My lord,
Current, you have to pay. There's no way out.
my lord, since the matter will be listed again for appraisal of this honorable court,
Ha.
may I pray, my lord, any day, next week, just because the year is coming to an end, my lord, it will provide some succor, financial succor to the petitioner. Just for an update of this honorable court. Your lordship did not hear the matter.
Just next week, my lord, subject.
Friday, Friday,
Friday, my lord.
2 weeks, not 2 weeks, 1 week,
1 week.
Friday. We'll take it up, you take instruction.
Whether has it been released?
We are expecting that they are paid by now. Order was of which date?
November,
November, my lord.
17 November 2025.
Ah,
So it was 12.
it's enough. 1 month is enough.
Yes, sir.
We are expecting, Mr. Chutia, that you will come up with a positive, that will take it in a different thing. Because this is a question of violation of compliance of the court order again.
Today I will communicate, my lord.
Not communicate,
Yes.
tell them, advise them to immediately release their pay their current salary within a week so that you can come up with some,
Positive, my lord.
come up with smiling face.
19th, my lord. 19th. I'm grateful, my lord.
Thank you.
May I please, your lordship?
Yes.
Lordship, here we have sent the affidavit for vetting, your
And
lordship.
Mr. So-and-so, and
Thank
counsel
you.
for the petition on the Mrs. MS
D. Musahari, your lordship.
D. Musahari, Learned Standing Council,
Secondary.
Secondary Education Department submits that an affidavit has been sent for vetting. Mr. Therefore, fresh for some time to file the same.
I'm very fast to hit.
The MS in view of let this matter be listed after 3 weeks. In the meantime, the MS Musari to file the affidavit.
Lordship.
May I take for date, lordship, kindly?
I give that.
Obliged, your lord.
Yes.
Chip, in this matter, we are awaiting our instructions, my lord. We have written, my lord. We have not yet received our instruction, my lord. Some time may be given, my lord.
Heard, Mr.
Yes, sir.
Yes, I'll learn council for the on the prayer of Epukan.
Efukan, my lord.
Learned Standing
Elementary
Council.
Elementary education.
Elementary, further 3 weeks time is granted for filing, to file affidavit in the position. Huh?
Lordship, date may be fixed, lordship. My lord, that may be fixed.
After 4 weeks, then you give the date, after 4 weeks. February, this will go to
Lordship,
February.
can it be in the month of January, lordship?
January are very limited working days, already fixed. So many matters.
Post February. Deeply obliged.
Your lordship, we may be granted 2 weeks more time, your lordship. Instructions is awaited, your lordship.
Yes.
Lordship, instruction was sought for last occasion.
Heard Mr. So-and-so, learned counsel for the petition. Further 2 weeks time is granted to MS
H. Terangpi, your lordship.
S. Terangpi, learned standing council,
Yes, your lordship.
secondary education to obtain instruction. Huh? This after.
Item 24.
Here,
This matter related to non-provincialization of service. My colleague teacher have already been provincialized by my.
Yes.
your lordship,
Because there is some mistake in the names and it is also corrected also.
Yes.
the necessary initiative will be placed, your lordship, on the next meeting. This is the instructions I have received, your lordship, on 11/12.
Necessary.
Initiative will be placed before the next meeting, your lordship.
Next meeting of what?
The next meeting with the finance department, your lordship, that his proposal will be placed before the
And
meeting.
we'll
your
grant
lordship.
you 3 weeks time to come back with the instruction.
Yes, your lord.
With hope and trust that you will consider his case. Heard, Mr.
And
And Auckland Council for the petitioner. Mr. MS so-and-so,
H. Terangpi, your lordship.
Learned Council for the Learned Standing Council, Elementary,
No, lordship, secondary.
Secondary Education Department submits that the grievance of the petitioner is under consideration. Mr. in view of the above, let this matter be listed after 4 weeks
May I pray for,
for necessary instruction.
may I pray for a date, my lord? After.
February, give the date.
My lord,
Yeah.
last order dated, my lord, 26/11/2025, may kindly be seen, my lord. Employment of my lord salary since 2021.
Yes.
Lordship, here instruction is still awaited, lordship. Otherwise, may I pray, lordship, there, lordship may kindly peruse annexure 10, page 37, there is a representation. So lordship may direct the director of elementary education, the secretary, to dispose of this representation within a specific period of time, lordship. Perhaps that will serve the purpose. That can be. Page 37. 37, lordship, there is a representation, lordship.
Releasing of salary from so and so till that,
Lordship.
as well as per the order dated 24/9/2024. Where is that order?
Yes. We have annexed the order, lordship will find. Page 32. Page 32. Also, page 29, my lord, it's started.
How you, same prayer here.
There are several round of litigations. In this present petition, he is the petitioner. Now, in those petitions, he was the respondent. In the earlier proceeding, I was respondent number 8. Now, who was respondent number 7, his appointment has been cancelled by the director. Now, my appointment as a respondent number 8 is still holding the field. So, there is no embargo on the part of the respondent to release my salary. That is the limited period. Lordship. Therefore, lordship may direct to dispose of this representation within a period of 2 months.
Heard Mr.
M.U. Mandal.
M.U. Mandal, learned counsel for the petitioner. And Mr.
P.N. sir.
P.N. Sharma, learned standing counsel,
Elementary education.
elementary education. By next one, filing this writ petition, the petitioner has fled for direction to the respondent authorities. What? Pay,
To pay the area as well as current salary.
pay the arrear as well as current salary to the petitioner for the period from 01/01/2021 to till date. List of next paragraph. The petitioner was appointed as teacher, assistant teacher in the
Lordship, here, the case is from the date of appointing him as a tutor, lordship.
no, appointed as assistant teacher within bracket Hindi at
is
Nair
page-
Alga
It's 26, lordship.
Girls Amy Madrasa
It's 26.
by an order dated 27/03 by the secretary of the madrasa,
School managing committee, lordship.
school managing committee,
Lordship.
list of the service of the petitioner generally approved by an order dated 22/01/2008 by the district elementary education officer Dubri for provincialization.
Not for provincialization. That was an approval, a mere approval of the appointment by the school managing committee. That is a process. But subsequently in 2021, he has been provincialized. Yes, 26. Yes, the next. His service was provincialized by the government in 2021, 5th May.
It's okay,
5th
approved for provincialization.
2021, lordship.
Huh?
From 2021, February 2021. Lordship.
Then approved by the district elementary Dubri.
Page 26.
Page
List of-
26,
not
Lordship will find.
not provincialization, huh? Approved by the district elementary official Dhubri. List of finally, the, no, list of by an order dated 05/02/2021, the service of the petitioner has been provincialized as UPS Upper Primary School
As tutor.
as tutor, huh?
No, sir.
As tutor with effect from 01/01/2021. Which is school now?
Now, my lord, Nailga Girls, ME Madrasa. Now, that is the, my lord, that is
In Nair Alga Girls ME Madrasa, Dhubri, huh?
Dhubri.
Dhubri.
Now it is school.
Now it is, my lord, attached with Nair Alga HS School.
Now attached with Nair Alga SS School, huh? List of, you see, page 26. Yeah. By the Director Elementary Education, Assam. List of. Next para. It is the contention of the learned counsel for the petitioner that despite appointment of the petitioner as tutor on 05/07/02/2021, no salary has been paid from the day one.
In the, my lord,
From 2021,
21
Huh? From the day one.
because of the pending of these two writ petitions.
litigation.
This, because of the pendency of this.
Just wait. List of. Therefore, request for a direction to release the area as well as current salary to the petitioner. Direction to the respondent to release the next paragraph. The petitioner has filed a representation before the commissioner and secretary. Why not director?
My lord,
The chairman of this.
basically, my lord, the
State level
secretary is the,
selection
my lord,
committee.
The commissioner and secretary, government of Assam, Department of School, Department of School within bracket Elementary Education, Assam, on 23/07/2025. Next paragraph. Mr. PN Sharma, Lunch, Standing Council. For elementary education department submits that the salary of the petitioner could not be paid due to pendency of the what?
Writ petitions.
Writ petition being the
WPC?
pendency of WPC
1949 of 2021
1949 of 2021,
and WPC 2083 of 2021.
208
83.
80 of 2021,
Lordship.
wherein the appointment of the petitioner, huh?
so respondent number 7.
Your respondent,
I was respondent number 8 in the earlier proceeding.
In the earlier those writ petitions, the petition,
Wherein-
present petitioner was the respondent number 7.
your appointment was challenged.
8.
Lordship.
Your appointment was challenged,
Lordship.
wherein the
Eight, no?
appointment of petitioner was under challenge. Mr. Now, since the said writ petition has been disposed of, the respondent authorities shall consider the case of the petitioner, consider the grievance of the petitioner list of. It is the submissions of Learned Council, Mr.
MU Mondal.
M.U. Mondal and Mr. P.N. Sharma, that the writ petition may be disposed of, that the writ petition may be disposed of with a direction to the Commissioner and Secretary,
Now it is Secretary Lordship, so
Secretary to the
Department of School Education.
Government of Assam, Department of Elementary School
Department of School Education.
School Education, Assam, to dispose of the representation dated 23/09/07/2025. Next period. Having considered the limited period for for a direction to consider and dispose of the representation filed by the petitioner dated representation dated 23/07/2025 filed by the petitioner and as agreed to by the Land Council for the parties, and also considering that there may not be any impediments to pay release the area and current salary to the petitioner in view of the fact that the petitioner has been appointed as the service of the petitioner has been provincialized as tutor. Comma. I am of the considered view that interests of justice would serve by disposing of this. I'm of the. I deem it appropriate, to dispose of this writ petition with a direction to the respondent authority to consider and dispose of the representation filed by the petitioner. And that's dated 23 cents. Accordingly, it is directed that the Secretary to the Government of Assam, Department of School Education, Assam, shall take up the representation dated 20, shall file the petitioner and consider take up, consider and dispose of the representation filed by the petitioner within a period of 2 months.
2 months from the date of
this
furnishing the certified copy of the.
petition still this one.
Can it be made within 1 month, madam?
It will take.
It's 21.
It will take some time.
Oblige.
Yes.
Well, although in the writ petition, we had prayed for releasing of salary for a particular few months. I have retired though, but the headmaster of the concerned school has filed an interlocutory application seeking improvement. So that I have the number, put the matter be listed next year, January with this number. with the ID.
Mr. B. S. Bani, Learned Council for the petitioner. As prayed for by the Learned Council for the parties, let this matter be listed after 4 weeks.
Along with, my lord, the
Along with
IA Civil
IAC bill
15892
15892
892 of 2025.
2025.
That's a filing serial number, my lord. That's a filing number. What we have there.
I think that will
So it will come
automatically
together, my lord.
that will automatically come once it is filed.
It may not be. The interlocutory application may be listed and then it may be tagged. If the filing serial number is indicated, it will come with that. To stand allowed, we file the name of-
Interlocutory filing number.
This one is filing. Obliged.
Unless it is numbered, can we direct for a listing along with that?
It's always go with the thing that subject to the documents being correct.
Normally, once the IA is filed, it should be automatically tagged with the connected
Very
petition.
well, Lordship will have it.
We'll see,
Right.
since it is not been numbered. Your last one, then delete it, huh?
Lordship.
Right, please, your lordship.
Yes.
My lord, this case relates to, my lord, the compassionate appointment of the petitioner with the Food Corporation of India, your lord. With the Food Corporation of India, your lord. So here in this case, my lord, the father of the petitioner, my lord, he died on harness while working, my lord, with the Food Corporation of India. And that was, my lord, in the year 2005, your lordship. And accordingly, my lord, the mother of the petitioner from Annexure 1, page 21, your lordship will find that the mother of the petitioner submitted a representation before the authority concerned for compassionate appointment of the petitioner, your lordship. Now, the response, your lordship will find at page 22, Annexure 2. She was asked, my lord, to file an affidavit and all that with documents for consideration of our, my lord, appointment on compassionate ground, your lordship will find at page 22. And accordingly, my lord, she had filed the application, your lordship will find at page 23.
Is there any policy?
And, my lord,
Is there any policy? Is there any policy?
yes,
Policy is there.
It is there, my lord, they had filed their affidavit, I'll be coming to that, your lord.
Hmm.
Now, my lord, nothing had happened, my lord, after filing of the application by the petitioner. And accordingly, petitioner had to come before the Honorable Court, your lordship, and your lordship, page 24. Your lordship will find that there is an order passed by this Honorable Court, my lord, and your lordship may come to, my lord, page 25, my lord, operative portion. In view of the above, which petition is disposed of, providing that the respondents may examine the case of the petitioner as per its policy decision, along with other similarly situated applications as expeditiously as possible, your lord. That is the order, your lordship will find was passed on 30/7/2012, but nothing had happened, your lordship. Now, your lordship will find, my lord, the authorities, my lord, Annexure 526, my lord, my lord, they had, my lord, had directed the petitioner to furnish some documents as required for their consideration, your lordships, and accordingly it was filed. And, my lord, page 27, Annexure 7, my lord, last paragraph, it is clear that you fulfill the requisite criteria of education qualification as envisaged in above guidelines, since your case has been recorded in the roster and shall be considered for grant of compulsory appointment at so when new vacancy arise. Now, my lord, this is the roster, my lord, at page 28. And, my lord, name of the petitioner, your lordship will find at page 7, my lord, serial number 17. Then, unfortunately, my lord, your lordship will find from Annexure 729, the persons who are not in the rosters, they are being appointed on compassionate ground, your lordship will find page 29. On the right hand side, Shubhra Jyoti Burdalai, Navajyoti Gogoi, then come Khairam, then Charles Anal, Sumit Kumar Sarkar, and all these persons, other than, my lord, Anjali Sansam, her name is there, and these persons' names are not there in the roster, your lordship.
Only Anjali Sanasam is there.
Yes, only Anjali Sansam is there.
Rest are not.
Anjali, your lordship will find at page, my lord, 28, serial number 4. So, other than Anjali's name, nobody's names are there in the roster, your lordship.
Okay.
Then, my lord, petitioner, my lord, again approves, my lord, this honorable court, your lordship will find it.
Again.
Page 31.
Again, you have approached.
Yes. And court, my lord, your lordship will find the, my lord, operative portion, my lord, at, my lord, page 34. Accordingly, 13, my lord, paragraph 13, accordingly, after hearing the learned counsels of the parties and perusal of material evidence on record, this court to the view that the present present petition can be disposed of with a direction to the FCI respondent to consider the appointment of the petitioner as per the roster in terms of seniority that may be maintained by the FCI authority concerned on the basis of the date of death of the employee concerned. In other words, if there is no other employee who had expired before the petitioner's father, the petitioner case shall be first considered for appointment under the.
Yes, then-
Scheme, your lord.
Then,
Then, my lord, your lordship will find, my lord, they have started changing the seniority in their roster. Your lordship may kind to come to page 38. Now they say, my lord, your lordship, on the middle, your lordship will find page 38.
page,
Page 38, your lordship, they had started changing the seniority in the roster. Therefore, in compliance to above, my lord, your lordship, middle person, therefore, have your lordship got it, my lord?
page 38.
Yes. Therefore, in compliance to above, the seniority of company drawn in the order of date of death as per roster lighted 151, which includes all the candidates, graduate, and this is the, my lord, they have introduced a graduate and non-graduate. So, my lord, I am a graduate and combined list, my serial is 151, they say. And in the graduates, my lord, my serial number, next line, your lordship, at serial number 29. Now, this is also not being complied with, your lordship. And petitioner had to come before this honorable court, your lord. Now, my lord, they had filed their affidavit, my lord. And your lordship will find, my lord, this is nothing but an admission of the claim of the petitioner, your lordship.
46.
No, your lordship may kindly see, my lord, 43 of the affidavit. What is this? I do not know, my lord. They say the persons, my lord, who has obtained the graduate degree, my lord. Later on, they are being placed at the top of the list now. So gradually, the petitioner is downgraded, and persons, my lord, whose father has died later on, what they had acquired the graduate degree, my lord, brought to the top.
Graduate will be given more preference.
I am going downward, your lordship will.
You are what? You are non-graduate. You are not graduate.
What is the logic about that, your lord? When I find.
I am asking you, you are not graduate, other graduate.
I am a graduate, my lord, on the date of application, your lordship, I was a graduate.
Then,
And my seniority is there in the roster, it was 17. Now they say it is 29, graduate, and in the combined list, I am 151. Now, what is the reason? They have explained. They say the person who has acquired the graduate degree, they are being, my lord, placed at the top of the, my lord, this list, seniority list, they say, my lord, roster.
you are not a graduate.
I am a graduate, my lord.
Then,
My lord, say, my lord, the person who passed or obtained the graduate degree later than me, they are placed above me now. And accordingly, my lord,
what do you mean by that?
I do not know, my lord. That is my case also.
Where
Your
it is?
lordship will see.
Where it is said? Where it has been stated?
Page 43, your lordship will find. My lord, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 line. As on the date of issue of reply to her grievance being registration number so and so, the name of the petitioner or serial number.
As
29.
as per?
My lord, 6 line, my lord. As on the date of issue of reply to her grievance being registration number so and so, the name of the petitioner was at serial number 29 in the list of the applicants in the case only of graduate applicants. It is relevant to mention here that the qualification of the applicants are updated from time to time in the roster from undergraduate to graduate as per the request received from the applicant and are duly forwarded to the concerned unit, which may result in change of seniority among the graduate applicants. So it is being changing, my lord. The seniority of a graduate application may change if some other non-graduate application senior to him, her
No, it's very clear. See.
becomes graduate,
See, the person who is senior in the application, if he or she obtain graduation, right, then they'll be put up.
See,
That is
I
extremely
have to
seniority.
graduate at the very beginning, from the very
It's
beginning,
correct.
I graduate. And
It's correct.
so
Can be done.
this is
See, a claim on 2025,
now, my lord,
2024, right? Mr. A claim in 2024 and was not a graduate.
supposing, my lord, I
Was not a graduate. I'm just giving you an example. And you, Mr. B, claim in 2025, though you are graduate. In during pendency, if A obtain graduation in 2025, whatever may be, and he has not been considered and appointed, then he'll be given the seniority position.
no, they are.
Although he
My lord, in this way, they were giving the seniority. Supposing, my lord, in this case, I was a graduate in the year 2005. Now, if somebody has passed the graduate degree, my lord, in the year 2024, he is placed above me now.
Yes, obviously.
He is placed above me.
But as per this affidavit, it says the person who is senior to you, although was not graduate, in the meantime, if he or she obtains graduation, right, then he'll be placed because his seniority is maintained.
That cannot be done, my lord. There is a case decided by the apex court, my lord, Delhi Jal Nigam, your lord, the Jal Nigam board. Look, it says like that, your lordship, that submission on behalf of the respondent, that is the application for compassionate appointment was permissible within a period of 5 years, and the respondent's daughter required the graduate qualification within a period of 5 years. The respondent's daughters can be said to be eligible for appointment to the appointment on the post of NDC. The aforesaid submissions cannot be accepted.
So is it for appointment?
Yes.
Is it an appointment for on compassionate ground? Huh?
Yes.
This is also appointment compassionate ground.
Compassionate ground. This is also compassionate ground. The aforesaid submissions cannot be accepted once the application for compassionate appointment is made. Qualification which the applicant possesses on the date of application is to be considered. Similarly, my lord, the submission on behalf of the respondent that for compassionate appointment, only the power with respect to age shall be applicable and not with respect to education qualification cannot be accepted. The compassionate appointment is required to be made to the post considering the educational qualification of the applicant on the date of application of the deceased employee, defendant deceased employee. Therefore, in facts and circumstances of the case, the department rightly upon the respondent's daughter on the post of so considering her qualification at the time of making the application for compassionate appointment, your lord. That is the, my lord, Delhi Jal Board versus Nirmala Devi, your lord. Nirmala Devi's case, my lord. I have a copy of that judgment, my lord. So this is the case, your lordship. There is, my lord, another, my lord, the judgment of the Supreme Court, your lordship, the case of my lord Seema Kaushar.
This was the case where the a person was appointed in a post meter reader on the basis of her qualification, right? After obtaining graduation, after graduation, she prayed for appointment to the post of LDC. Then in that context, it said that
So here.
the qualification will be counted at the time of
What
application.
I understand,
The relevant at the relevant point of time, not the subsequent
I have
acquiring of the graduation or the education
What
qualification.
I have understood, my lord, that everything depends upon the date of death of the, my lord, the father of the petitioner, or on the date of application. Now, when the petitioner made application.
So that's why here is your case.
He may have made it later on.
See, basically once they are emphasizing on the education qualification. So obviously, if it is pending for 5 years, the seniority will be counted at the time of consideration. According to you, it should be at the time of application.
On the application, as soon as I filed the application, my serial number was 17. So that is to be considered, your lordship. So on the date of application, what was my position? Now the people's, my lord, whose father died later on, who acquired the qualifications later
Not later.
on.
That is you are wrong. You have, I think, misconstrued their affidavit. What they are saying is the seniors in the list. I mean, in the seniors means date of application or date of the employee, right? During pendency. Suppose it could not be filled up. There is a list. 1, 2, 3, 4. Even if you are graduate, your case is also pending. If you are at serial number 2, as per the seniority or date of the death, right? Before consideration, before the vacancy arises or available, if a person obtained the graduation, then they should be put above put in the seniority. Counting the seniority in the application and the date of the employee.
Right,
That is the interpretation.
exactly. Date of death.
It's not the case that you are senior, although you are senior, right? Although you are in senior, right? You on the person who have been junior in the on the point of time at the time of application, right? Seniority in the application or senior in the debt, right?
Seniority is there, my lord. Here the qualification being, my lord, equal. Only the date of death is to be considered.
Yes.
Whose father died earlier.
Yeah, that is what he
If
said.
my father died earlier, I am to be considered first.
Yes.
That is my case, your
That
lord.
is not done. That is what they are doing.
No, they are not doing it, your lord.
Only change is on obtaining the
Graduation degree.
on becoming the graduate or obtaining the graduation, right? The seniority is maintained, but they can be put above.
It changes, madam. It changes. Keeps on changing.
Which may result in change of seniority among the candidate. Why it should be changed? I have filed my application on a particular date. On the basis of that, it is to be considered when I file my application.
Obviously,
That is the Jal Board's case, your lordship.
so it depends on you, not the date
Now
of
they are
filing,
saying
not,
no.
it's a date
Now
of
they
death.
are saying no.
Seniority is based on
You
date
may
of the
have
debt.
filed, my lord, you may have filed your application at any date. Now the persons who acquire graduation will be put above at the list, your lordship. That is their contention. I
No.
was already.
Suppose a person who filed the application in, for example, in 2020, and you've and the date of their, I mean, father or mother, whatever.
But this has again been clarified in their
Ah.
affidavit itself, your lordship will see. My lord, I read your lordship permissions, I read it again, your lordship. It is relevant to mention here that the qualification of the applicants are updated from time to time in the roster, that is from undergraduate to graduate. For the request received from the applicant and are duly forwarded by the concerned unit, which may result in change of seniority amongst the graduate applicants. The seniority of a graduate applicant in the roster may change if some other non-graduate applicant senior to him or in her terms of date of death of ex-employee becomes graduate or any other applications are received where the date of death of the ex-employees is prior to the date of the case of the petitioner. So here comes the date of death, your lord. Now, my father died on 27/1/2005. If somebody's father, my lord,
Died before, prior to that.
after my father's death,
Ah.
that cannot be considered first.
Yeah, we're not doing that.
No, that is not
I
the,
am to be considered first. because
yes,
my
obviously,
father-
that is what they are doing.
Yes. Now, since the roster is a composite one containing both graduate and undergraduate applications, the applicant's seniority on the date of issue of the reply of grievance was
See, what,
51.
on what basis you are saying that the juniors, I mean, the persons who have died later point of time have been considered.
Let them show, my lord, the person.
No, what is your basis?
Let them show, my lord, that the persons who are stated to have been appointed in the meantime,
Ah,
that their father or whatever it is, my lord, dependent, now died earlier to my father.
We have said that in the affidavit.
this is what they said. You show us that any person who have died after the death of your father have been appointed.
The persons.
Considering the,
I have shown, my lord, I have shown here in this, here in this case, my lord, your lordship will find at page 29, some persons, name of the candidate's appointment on compassion is under AG 3. Now, A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, their names are not there in the roster at all. Where from they have come?
It's there.
Where from they are appointed, their names are
this
not
is
there.
one aspect. Other main aspect is you are saying that those persons pending consideration for appointment who has graduated, right?
He was already a graduate.
Who has
earlier.
graduate, just who has graduate has been pushed the above you.
Yes.
Because in the meantime they have
Persons who has passed.
it's not that you have misconstrued.
The case.
See,
This is the case.
their seniority is maintaining on the basis of the date of the death, not simply on the graduation. That is what they are saying, clearly said in the affidavit.
Not my case, your lord.
Huh?
This is not my case. My
What is your case?
case is that firstly, my lord, the persons who are given or offered appointment, their name is not there in the.
That is one aspect.
That is one aspect.
That is one.
One aspect. And second aspect.
As
is
of
that-
now, that is you have
Yes.
just made a passing
second
submission
aspect
on
is
that.
My lord,
Main
it is
aspect,
they
I
say in the combined graduate, non-graduate, my
Ah.
age is 151.
Ah.
And in the graduate, it is 29.
yes.
Then when, my lord, the person are being appointed, I am 29, then when I am being gradually downgraded, your lord.
Graduation, right? those who have acquired who has the degree of graduation, who are graduate, in that you are serial number 29. It is not about the date of death, right? That is the reason they said pending consideration, if a person obtains graduation, they will be pushed.
Qualification is not, my lord, graduate, ungraduate, everything, my lord. If he is a graduate, he can be, my lord, entitled to a post of the, my lord, ministerial job he may get. If I am ungraduate, I may get a grateful job. My question is survival. Why they are not giving me a good grateful job? If I am supposing that I am not a.
Where is the policy? Where is the policy? Where is the policy? If you are posed with a tough situation, you try to evade the issue without clarifying.
Compassionate appointment.
Sir,
An appointment, my lord.
if you are confronted with a situation which is not palatable to you, then you try to evade your submission.
Your lordship.
Let us don't do that. Whether this court agrees or not, will determine it. Be fair enough. Stick to your submission, right? Maybe I may have a wrong interpretation, right? I'm also not fallible. I'm not infallible also.
Stated me where is their policy. So, my lord, your lordship may see Annexure 1, page 47 of their affidavit. And we, my
You have
lord.
not annexed your policy also, which you are relying.
Policy, my lord, your lordship will find.
Where it is? Where
page
it is?
47 and
Page
Annexure
47.
A of their affidavit.
Ah.
They also say the date of death, retirement shall be the criteria for fixing the seniority in the roster of consideration of the application for compassionate appointments. Fixing the application or any other criteria may lead to manipulations and consequent disputes and litigation. That is my case, your lord.
Grade 3 or grade 4.
This is exactly they are doing.
No, they are not doing.
Show us that they have not considered this.
Father, my
They have not maintained this.
My father.
Only one instances.
Father died during the year 2005.
Who has been appointed? Who has been appointed?
About 20.
Who have been appointed, sir? Show us who have been appointed. Anyone. After the death of your father. Say, for example, who has been appointed to a post, on compassionate ground, whose father or government employees died in 2006. Your father died in 2005.
Yes.
Show us any instances, single instance.
My lord, additional affidavit. My lord, we will file an additional affidavit.
What additional? I have heard you enough. I'll dispose of the matter.
No, yes, because your lordship queries, my lord, if your lordship says what, we have to.
That is
clear
indicated. I have indicated you, sir.
We have to clear that.
When you are confronted with the.
Our information was like that only, instruction is like that only.
You cannot be. You have
No.
you have misconstrued the affidavit also.
To be
You have misunderstood you misread or
submission.
misunderstood the contents of the affidavit also.
Submission is that everything depends. on
I
the-
find prime facie as of now, I find the authorities has
Date of
acted
death.
in terms of the, they are maintaining the seniority in terms of the office memorandum. The circular, whatever, scheme, policy.
Policy, yes.
You are not able to show anything
policy,
as
my
of
lord.
now, except your bulk submission, nothing else.
As per the.
And for appointment on,
As per the.
for a
policy,
claim for appointment on compensation grant in terms of the policy, we spend around 40 minutes.
As per the policy, my lord.
Because of your attitude
date
of,
Death is the criteria for fixing the seniority. As per the Jal Nigam board, date of death is the criteria for fixing the seniority.
yes, that is what they are doing. That is what they are doing. That is what they are doing.
Now, they have brought a new concept, education
What
and
concept?
qualification.
No, It doesn't change.
What is, what?
It doesn't change.
What the education?
It
quality-
doesn't affect
the
you.
Education quality.
It will never affect you. It will not.
What, my lord, the educational.
Your
quality-
serial number was 29 because that point in time, in terms of the graduation, graduate in the list, you were 29 as a graduate,
My lord, what
as a graduate applicant. Now, during the pendency of all this
What is the requirement?
applicant,
The
if
requirement to
anyone obtain a graduation, they will be pushed in terms of the date of the death. Seniority in terms of the date of the death.
Submission is that, my lord, when as per the policy, the date of death is the criteria.
That is exactly they are following.
What was the necessity for bringing this educational qualification in between, one from, where from it comes?
It doesn't change you. It doesn't affect you. Is it affects you?
It has affected me.
So us who have been appointed junior to you, junior
But date of, my lord, death.
date of death, yes. Where it is?
We have to collect the.
That is the only case you could have. Otherwise, you file it, press will dispose of the matter. I have heard you enough. Yes.
Nothing is there, my lord, so far as the educational qualification, so far as the policy is concerned, nothing is there. So far as the educational qualification. Educational qualification being the same, only consideration date of death. It is to be seen if somebody has appointed, my lord, whose father died later than my father. It is to be only seen. এইখানে তো মানে
না না এটাই তো আমরা দেখি
কোনটা?
যারা গ্রেড 4 এ অ্যাপ্লাই করছে গ্রেড 4 তারা গ্রেড 3 তে উঠেছে রিজন কোয়ালিফিকেশন
My lord friend will not agree, so let him argue a lot. My lord, I have understood your query. I'll do that. I have been engaged, my lord, as the senior counsel. Now, if my learned, my lord, friend doesn't agree with me, or doesn't like, my lord, like, go other way, my lord, let him do it. My lord, I will withdraw.
No, it's between you and him. We are not saying. We are on deliberating on the issue, on the case.
My lord, I am withdrawing it.
No.
Huh?
No,
I
sir.
am withdrawing. I came from Delhi. I am withdrawing. It
No,
is
sir, I have not-
difficult for me from.
No, sir, I'm not saying so in my senior lordship. I'm only saying.
No, no,
Filed a
sir, that is in between you. I cannot, the court cannot intervene and we cannot say.
I understood your lordship's queries. Now I am to satisfy, I am to assist your lordship in delivering the judgment to your lordship. Now it is his brief, my lord.
No, sir.
His satisfaction is also there. So, my lord, I am unable.
So what is
My lord,
saying?
maybe-
What you are saying?
Maybe adjourn for the date, your lord. And, my lord, let him argue his case.
No.
No.
Sir, it's very difficult. Sir, it's very difficult to, manage this way. Your juniors, your friends, your colleague,
My lord,
they are all,
ultimately, my lord,
they are on
my
the, on
lord,
queue,
ultimately-
in the queue.
Ultimately, my lord, in the apex court, Supreme
Yes.
Court, I am practicing before the Supreme Court.
No, I'm not saying, sir.
I will have to argue before the Supreme Court.
Huh?
Now, if I am guided by them, my lord, all
Hmm.
through, then it is very difficult, your lordship.
No, it's between you.
That's why, my lord, I am saying that I am withdrawing.
No, no,
Lord, let him argue
no,
his
no,
case,
no,
whatever it
no,
is.
sir.
Because my satisfaction is
Or
also
Miss,
there, my lord.
no, Mr. So-and-so. Your name, please, sir.
And for your lord.
Huh. Learned counsel, after arguing the matter, at some length, submits that he may be granted some time to address this court. No, the matter may be adjourned for some another day. So as to address this court with better particulars. Mr. What to do? Helpless.
Okay.
Mr. So-and-so,
Similar
assisted
case,
by.
my lord, Bhupa Bhattacharya ji
Sir,
is
are you a
Bhupa
designated,
Bhattacharya
sir,
is
are you a
also
designated,
good, my lord.
sir, are you a designated lawyer? Are you a designated lawyer?
Senior, my lord.
Are you designated, senior designated?
All my juniors, including my friend, all are my.
No, I'm not asking. Are you designated? Because I cannot make it out. I cannot make it out. That's why I'm
I am
just
not-
asking.
I am not a
It doesn't indicate anything.
not competent, my lord.
No, it doesn't indicate anything.
So I have put.
I just wanted to know when you say that I'm a senior lawyer. Therefore, I'm just wanted to know. I mean, it doesn't attest anything.
Let it be taken after the, briefing.
All my lord, all my juniors are now.
The
senior
prayer of the so and so,
judges of this court.
having been not objected to by Mr. V.K. Roy, London Senior Counsel assisted by Mr. S.K. Chakraborty, London respondents. Let this matter be listed
After the.
after 4 weeks
Lodge. Deep.
as prayed for by Mr. So and so. The figure. So finish this matter. Yes,
My lord, in this case, my lord, affidavit has not been filed by the my lord, district.
why affidavit is required?
My lord, here the issue is that my lord, the matter pertains to.
And Mr. So and so, learned counsel for the petition. On the prayer of Mr.
This, sir, my lordship.
You are for?
I am for the private respondent only,
No.
lordship, I am suffering.
You are
the-
P.N. Sharma, Learned Standing Council, Elementary Education
Lordship.
Department, and Mr. So and so. Have you filed the?
Yes, I have filed my affidavit.
No,
lordship,
but
but
the
the state
2
respondent
weeks
has
time
not
is,
filed.
3 weeks time is granted to file affidavit.
Lordship,
Mr. So and so
Lordship.
is present. List
Lordship.
after 3 weeks.
Lordship, only my humble prayer is that, lordship, in this case.
That may be fixed.
That may, because the, due
Give
to
the date.
interim order
That's
passed by
next.
this. That. Highly blessed.
Yes.
My lord,
Ah,
about homeguard, my lord.
ah,
Some are in service, my lord, some are not in service, my lord.
yes.
But in
So
item
affidavit
number-
has been filed.
My lord, item number 42, we have filed affidavit.
Ah,
And item number 40, my lord, I have received instruction, I will file affidavit.
yes.
And 39,
And
I
Mr.
have.
So and so, London Council for the petitioners. Petitioners. Mr. T.C. Chutia, Learned State Council submits that he has filed the affidavit in opposition in WPC
WPC number, my lord,
2654,
2654.
2023. However, press for time to, press for 2 weeks time to, 3 weeks time to file affidavit in the other petitions.
In item number
Prayer is
40.
allowed this after 2 weeks, 3 weeks.
My lord, in item number 39, 40 and 41,
Hmm.
there is some, my lord, status to order. That will.
Interim order passed earlier shall continue. Whatever may be there.
Bless.
If any, if any. We don't know.
Nice days, my lord.
There is. There are interim orders.
My lord, status quo is there.
I don't know, my lord.
Bless.
Ah.
Item 43.
Lordship, they may be kindly possible for the time being, lordship.
SMT 60. Kindly inform. SMT 60. For him only this matter has been listed today.
Yes.
After some time, yes.
Lordship, as per the office note dated 11/12/2025, may your lordship kindly grant me 3 days of time to submitting the proper steps on the respondent.
On the prayer of so and so, Learned Council for the petitioner. Further. No, not further. 1 week time is granted to take steps, huh? List after 4 weeks.
Meet with your lawsuits.
Yes.
This case, opposite party is supposed to bring instruction, but he told me that Abhimanyu, he was appearing. He said no instruction has been received. Yeah,
Who?
so, that Abhimanyu appearing on behalf of respondent, my lord.
Hmm.
What
On-
is it,
And Mr. K. Devi,
Yeah.
learned counsel for the petitioner.
interim order shall be continued.
As prayed for by learned counsel for the.
Your Honor.
Is the matter after 3 weeks so as to enable the respondents to obtain instruction. Interim order
Give
passed
me-
earlier shall continue. Yes,
Your Honor. Until further order, my lord.
no, no,
Lordship, I was,
interim order pass,
Yes.
continue, simply continue.
Lordship, I'm appearing on behalf of the health
Ah.
department.
After 3 weeks, my lord. Lordship, can you give a date, my lord? Because
2020,
this is a case of, serious case, my lord. It's important.
all are serious.
Yes. Lordship, here, the department has already drafted the amendment rule, Lordships. Now it will be placed before the cabinet for its approval. As soon as the cabinet give approval, Lordship, it will be notified in the Gazette, Lordships, and it will be implemented, Lordships. And it is on our,
Heard Mr.
yes. Oh, sir.
Learned counsel for the petition. Yes, sir, SMT is the learned counsel for the petition, learned counsel for
Respondent,
the
Lordship.
respondents. Submits that the order of this court dated so and so is being implemented.
And for that, we have already
For that,
a draft amendment has been.
Some process, some. I mean, and some
In the rules.
steps are to be, are being taken, which is under process.
Yes,
In view of, list this matter after 4 weeks.
yes, applies there.
May please, your lordship.
Yes.
My lord, we are filing the affidavit in opposition during course of the day, my lord.
Reply,
My lord, rejoinder.
on the prayer of Mr. G.
G. Bashi.
Bashi, learned counsel for the petitioner. 2 weeks time is granted.
Your lordship, I asked
To
for a
file-
fixed date because I am the respondent, seventh
affidavit
officer
is reply.
selected and my appointment was kept on holding because. of
List
this-
up, list on, as agreed to by learned counsel for the party, list the matter on,
Obliged.
we're fixing so many.
May I please, your Lordship?
Violation of order dated 20/12/23, my lord. Annexure
Who is for the respondent? Yes, Datta.
earlier date 27/11/24 directed to the opting in election, my lord.
Yes, where is Datta? Datta? Please inform. Mr. Sharma, Datta. After some time. Sixty.
Well, here I need some time, my lord.
Not
only date may take
Land
one hour.
council for the,
2 weeks,
on the
no?
prayer of Mr.
PK Bro.
DK, PK Bora, land council, for list contempt number 1. List this matter after 4 weeks.
Not 4 weeks, my lord, after 2 weeks, my lord.
Weeks what?
Obliged, date, only date.
4 weeks, yeah, February.
Obliged, obliged.
My lord, in this matter, my lord, some time is required as because the petitioner has not fulfilled the criteria of the incharge principal, my lord. He has not completed the 15 years tenure of.
What is the
postgraduate
direction here?
Direction, my lord.
Yes,
Our department is trying and intending to file an application to review.
You
the
file
matter.
affidavit, we'll see. Heard Mr.
There is a clear.
SK Das, learned counsel for the petitioner. Mr.
You, Sharma.
U. Sharma, learned counsel
For the
for
full
Alice
respondent.
Contemna is granted 2 weeks time to file affidavit.
Fifth, my lord.
No expert. Most mechanically, we have fixed that lordship because this order is, there is a clear mandamus lordship. So
Ah.
restore my lordship in suspension.
Yes.
Let it be in January.
Not possible. There's so many methods. Earlier point of time.
This method lordship of service information is the respondent.
What service report? 30? This 32?
Yes, lordship.
Heard Mr. So-and-so learned counsel for the petitioner. Ever service report. Like after 4 weeks.
Lordship, it's,
Have you complied?
no, Lordship, it's under process.
Heard Mr. So-and-so learned counsel for the petitioner. The AMS so-and-so learned counsel for the Alice Contemporary submits that the order dated so-and-so was so-and-so by this court is being complied with, for which steps are being taken. In view of, let this matter be listed after 4 weeks.
Lordship,
Are you complying, right?
Lordship,
I have
but Lordship,
said
it's
so.
under process.
Are being complied,
Lordship,
for which you are taking
Lordship.
step. Huh? It's correct.
Lordship.
Tomorrow, I mean, you should not end up in trouble. All right. So over, everything is over.
Everything is over, but Lordship, there is some developments as so per my instruction, Lordship. The few days back, Lordship, SP visited the Thana and asked the petitioners and the earlier or the committee to constitute again. He has given a proposal, but that development is there, Lordship, but there is no written as such order. Lordship, if Lordship keep pending the matter as a part had also.
No. What is it? This tenure is already over.
Lordship, the status, I don't know, Lordship, because whether the ad hoc committee is still there or not. Because
You tell us.
They take some time, lordship, they given only limited.
It was for a particular
Yes, yes.
tenure, a
Tenure is
particular
over,
period. It's
yes.
already over,
Yes,
yes. Who is this? Senior Superintendent Police. I mean, what?
They are not even in the charge, lordship.
because
They are not in the charge also, lordship. They are not holding the
that is our
committee.
case, Lordship, that is our case.
You are not saying anything. You only want time to file the status.
lordship. And she also informed me that the SP called the petitioners for discussion, something like this going on. lordship.
Maybe because of the.
Next week,
Next week, lordship, on
you
Wednesday,
ensure that, huh?
Thursday, next Thursday, lordship.
Wednesday. No, as prayed for by land council for the parties, MS so and so, and the petitioner and Mr. so and so. N Goswami,
Lordship,
then standing council.
I'm government advocate, lordship.
List this better on so and so. Thursday, 18.
Lordship.
Obliged.
Be a part of the Why this is been listed?
And regarding non-payment of leave encashment, all the pensionary benefit.
my lord,
Why this has been listed today?
for hearing.
Yes.
If our stand is twofold. Firstly, that there is a vigilance circular of 2013 within the corporation. So every time there is a superannuation, prior to that, a vigilance report is called for. Without the vigilance circular, we are not allowed to settle the final dues. In all these three cases, Lordship, all of them have retired on separate dates. All have adverse vigilance reports against them. That is the sole reason. Lordship, there is also another aspect. These vigilance reports are only valid for 2 months. They are only valid for 2 months. And petitioner number 3 has not represented the corporation. So perhaps, Lordship, at this stage, if they approach the corporation, a fresh vigilance report can be called for. Because the reason that there is an adverse vigilance report is because of a pending CBI case. So
And it is only valid for 2 months.
yes.
So they don't have to get lapse.
Therefore, depending on the status of the trial, the vigilance report may also change. So there is some requirement of subjective application of mine at the instance of the corporation. So if that can be done, Lordship, then a fresh vigilance reports may be considered. They represent. Because even petitioner number 3 is not even represented till date. So that is broadly the stand.
That is not extraordinary. During the service period, there is no disciplinary proceeding. This CBI case is going on from 2008 till date at Dimapur. And there is Supreme Court judgment is also there that parents cannot withhold the leave encashment, also pension. And they were never been suspended. My lord, during the never been disciplinary proceeding was not brought. Since 2008, CBI case is pending and CBI is taking time, searches what evidence, witnesses are going on. Now, these are the judgment. There is no circular government of NEPCO or anything that we can withhold the gratuity or leave encashment. They are based on CBI circular. That has also been dealt by the Supreme Court.
Who have mentioned this matter?
I have mentioned that. If Lordship, after vacation, Lordship may have heard it.
Why you have mentioned it?
Actually, they are suffering lot, minor. They are, since they have superintended.
See, what he is saying is that although the ground of your, not considering your case is on the report of the vigilance, as per the, what is that? Circular.
There is a vigilance circular.
Circular will not
Circular.
do anything, my lord. There is a
Just wait. Therefore, one of the petitioners has also not represented. You approach them, they are
No,
ready
my
to
lord,
consider,
other
because that the report is only valid for 2 months. So that is what he is trying to say.
My lord, the other petitioner case has been already rejected by them.
That you have annexed.
Annexed, my lord. Please annex. Then Lordship.
And we'll hear you. We'll hear you.
Yes.
When?
After vacation.
Last part of, on the prayer of Mr. So-and-so,
Yeah.
so-and-so, and Mr. So-and-so, Land Council petitioner and Mr. Land Council to the respondent.
Respondent 2 and 3.
Yeah, man. This matter on
January. That is will be difficult for me before that. 27, 26. 27.